Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just earlier today, I made a video where you could make different corners, and I went about it the long way around. And a viewer subscriber uh, told me this, and it just clicked. I don't know why I didn't think about it. But if we go to Object and convert this to a square, and get that way, you can take individual nodes. And if you go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, so you could make that one a scallop. And then you could take this one and make it a fillet and do whatever you want to with it, all the other corners. We'll make this one into a scallop, make this one into a fillet, and you can do all the corners. And it doesn't have to be just a, rectangle. It could be, you could take two squares like this and weld them and make one piece. And then take this and do the same thing, fillet it, scallop it, and do whatever you want to with it. Anyway, so I think that viewer subscriber, I knew about this, and I don't know why I didn't think about it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.